In 1904, in Manchester, England, Henry Royce, a young, talented mechanical engineer, was working tirelessly in his workshop, pursuing his passion for designing perfect engines. On the other hand, Charles Rawls was looking for a new way to entertain himself after he was tired of boring social activities and a life of excessive luxury. Fate brought them together at a party where they discussed their shared passion for cars. Charles was impressed with the car's performance, but noted some possible improvements. They shared ideas and developed ambitious plans to establish a company that makes exceptional cars. Their dreams turned into reality, and their factory began producing luxury Rolls-Royce cars. In 1906, Rolls-Royce was officially founded, becoming a symbol of luxury and elegance to this day.